Hello guys, my name is Pilar. I am from Puerto Nare. I am a student at Babel Global Institute. Besides, I am 14 years old and I am going to talk about my beautiful town, Puerto Nare. How to get to Puerto Nare? In Puerto Nare there are three ways to rest this beautiful paradise. Two by land and one by river. The most commonly used route is Medellin-Bogota highway. Logic. After such a long trip, you will be dreaming with a comfortable bed. In Puerto Nare, you can find several hotels,
such as the Dorado Hotel, the San Roque Hotel, the Plaza Hotel, and so on. Any of them will be a great option offering comfort and rest, so you can begin the next day at full energy.
Hello, today is a new day in Puerto Nare. The adventure begins at 12 o'clock. Chalupa is waiting in a pier.
We'll visit the waterfall on my town. In Puerto Nare, we have many touristic places, including La Zona, Gaticos, La Arenosa, La Cristalina. Along the way, we can see different animals that live in this beautiful town, like monkeys, ducks, parrots, herons, iguanas, foxes, tigrillos, bears, and so on. Now, let's enjoy the majestic Nare River. Later, the chalupa must pick us up for to return to the town. Okay guys, now let's explore the Central Park. This is the church, it's very big and pretty. Here, you can walk, meet new people, spend time with family or friends, and so on. Besides, you should also try the delicious food, coffee, ice cream, and michelada. Okay guys, this was my vlog. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.